Hello, this is math lesson 9-2 for Friday, February 12th, 2021. If you need to pause the video at any point in time to answer any questions your student may have or that the video may have, you may do so at any time. Okay, let's get started.
What do you know about a 100 chart? Let's find out. A 100 chart can help you find a number that is 1 more, 1 less, 10 more, or 10 less. Let's think about the number 47. How many tens are in 47?
Select your answer.
Okay, this is the tens place where the 4 is, and this is the ones place where the 7 is. So it asks how many tens are in 47. So look in the tens place where the 4 is, so that means there are 4 tens.
There are 4 tens in 47. How many ones are left over?
Okay, so if there are 4 tens in 47, how many ones are left over? You just look in the ones place. So there are 7.
There are 7 ones left over. What number is 1 more than 47?
Now, just like I showed you yesterday, 1 more would be adding, so we would just have to add 1 more. So what number comes after 47? Well,
1 more than 47 is 48. 48 is to the right of 47 on the 100 chart. What number is 1 less than 47?
okay, just like yesterday when we used our number grid, 1 more than 47, you move to the right one, plus 1 more. So that was 48. 1 less, you just go backwards 1. So 1 less than 47 would be
1 less than 47 is 46. 46 is to the left of 47 on the 100 chart. What number is 10 more than 47?
Select your answer.
okay, 10 more. Yesterday when we did 10 more, I gave you 2 ways you could do it. You could either take 10 hops forward, since more means adding, or you could take the shortcut, which is 1 row down. The numbers get bigger. So if we do, well, we can't do 10 hops because we don't have the whole number grid, but we can do the shortcut and go 1 row down. So 1 row down from 47, 10 more would be 57.
10 more than 47 is 57. 57 is below 47 on the 100 chart. What number is 10 less than 47?
Okay, so for 10 more, we went down a row, which would be 57. 10 less means you're taking away 10, so we could take 10 hops backwards or take the shortcut and go the opposite direction of what we did for 10 more. Instead of down, we would go up a row. So 1 row up from 47 is 37. So 10 less than 47 is 37.
10 less than 47 is 37.
Now, like I said yesterday, when it's 1 more, 1 less, 10 more, 10 less, all the answers kind of make a plus sign. Now you can actually see what the plus sign looks like. Okay? So none of your answers were diagonal. Okay? They're all above or below or in front of or behind the number that we started on. Okay? Makes a plus sign.
37 is above 47 on the 100 chart. You can use place value blocks to check how the numbers change. What does this model show? The model shows 10 less than 47. 10 less than 47 is 37. I like to find numbers on a 100 chart.
Okay, so that's what we're doing today. Let's kind of review a little bit from yesterday since we used our number grid yesterday. You need to be in your math workbook volume 2, and you need to turn to page 503. Page 503. Okay, if you're on page 503, it should look like this. All right, let's read the directions and find out what we have to do. It says, how can you use a 100 chart to help you find one more than 36? What about one less, 10 more, and 10 less than 36? Write the numbers. Okay, it's just like what we did yesterday. We're going to use, on this page, part of a 100 grid to figure out one more, one less, 10 more, 10 less. They already circled 36 for you, which is the number that we're going to start on. Now let's do one more than 36 is. So more, remember, means plus. So we just need to add one more. So 36 plus 1 would be 37. So write 37. One less than 36 is minus 1. So let's take away 1. So all we have to do is take one hop backwards. So 1 less than 36 is 35. So write 35. Okay, 10 more than 36. Remember, more means adding, so the numbers have to get bigger. So you can either take 10 hops, or you can take the shortcut and go down a row, because the numbers get bigger as you go down. Let's take 10 hops and see where we land. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 46. Now, if you want to take the shortcut, you would just go down a row, and you would still get the same thing. So 10 more than 36 is 46. And so for 10 less, we have to do the opposite of what we just did. So either 10 hops backwards, or instead of going down a row, we would go up a row. So let's take the shortcut and go up a row for 10 less, and we would get 26. So write 26. Now, once again, this makes a plus sign. So if you connect them, it looks like a plus. So then we know that we have all of our one more, one less, 10 more, and 10 less blanks filled in. Okay? All right, if you're good with that page, please turn to the next page. All right, on the next page here, at the top is the guy from the video showing you how to use a number grid to do one more, one less, 10 more, and 10 less. Okay, let's read the directions and see what it says we have to do. It says complete the part of the 100 chart. Use place value blocks if needed. Okay, once again, you can go to my Google Classroom page under classwork and go to student tools and get the number grid up. This is an easy tool to use when you're doing these. Like I said, the number grid gives you all the answers that you need. Okay, so the first one, 33 is the number that we are starting on. Okay, so the number that comes after 33 when you're counting by ones would be 34. That would be one more. So if we look at our number grid, here's 33, and so the number in front of 33, or one more, is 34. Now look at the number behind 33. It is 32. So let's trace it. 32. Now 10 more and 10 less. Okay, 10 less, we go up a row. 10 more, we go down a row. So 10 less than 33, up one row is 23. Let's check. Here's 33. If we go 10 less, go up a row, is 23. Now you could take 10 hops backwards if you wanted to. You would still land on the same number, 23. Okay, so trace 23. All right. And 10 more, we would go down a row. That's the only one left. So 10 more than 33 is 43. So trace that. and check your number grid and make sure that 10 more than 33 is 43. And we go down a row, and there it is, 43. Or you could take 10 hops forward. Either way, you still get the same answer. All right, try number 2 on your own, and then we'll go through it here in a minute. Okay, number 2, the number we're supposed to start on is 46. So if we look on our number grid, here is 46. Okay, so 1 more than 46 would be the number in front. So 1 hop, 1 more than 46 is 47. Okay, the number behind 46 or 1 less than 46 would be, here's 46, the number behind, we'll have to take 1 hop backwards, 45. So 1 less than 46 is 45. Now, if you notice, you count by ones here, 45, 46, 47. Make sure that those make sense all in a row. Okay, above and below. So 46 is here. Let's go 10 less first. So that would be the number above 46. So we take 1 hop up, 1 row up, and 10 less than 46 is 36. Remember, you can take 10 hops backwards and still land on 36. So 10 less than 30 or 46 is 36. Now the only one left is 10 more. So 10 more than 46. Here's 46. You could take 10 hops forward, or you could take the shortcut and just go down a row. So 10 more than 46 is 56. Like I said, the number grid is something that you can use to help you out a lot because it gives you all the answers. So make sure you're using that, please. All right, your job is to do, I want you to do the top 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, number 9, it's up to you if you want to try it. Go ahead. If not, I want you to definitely do these top 6. Okay, use your number grid. It has all the answers on it. Okay, when you are done with the top of page 505, you have some extra math problems you can do on page 506. There's also some extra problems on page 507 and page 508. Remember, you don't have to do all the problems on each page, just pick a couple to practice. When you're done with the workbook pages, please do the quick check on the Savas website. Please do not get behind on those. It is tough to catch up. And that is it for today. Thank you.